Hi friends, welcome to the quiz star. Let's check your observation skills. The super fruit edition, find the odd one within given time. There are 3 levels: easy, medium and hard. Are you ready? Let's go. Start with the easy level. Hi genius viewer, welcome back the new video. Find the odd watermelon within given time. Wow, super catch watermelon. Test your eyes, genius viewer. Come on, can you complete the easy level? Wow, that's one. Find the odd fruit within time. Come on, fruit lovers, genius viewer, come fast. Wow, the perfect sharp eyes. Find the odd fruit number 8. The perfect 8. Come on, genius viewer. Challenge your eyes. Find the odd fruit number 9. Wow, the fruit number 9 easily find. Find the odd number 3 within time. Excellent, easily find. Find the odd letter E within given time. The perfect letter is find. Find the odd fruit emoji within given time. Come on, fruit lovers. Wow, super catch the fruit emoji. Find the odd fruit number 6. Wow, amazing! Easily find. Test your observation skills. Find 0. Wow, super catch. Find the odd fruit within time. Excellent, super catch. Medium level start. Find the odd fruit within given time. Come on, come fast, fruit lovers. Wow, that's one. Easily find. Find the odd one, 760. My question is hard, but my viewer is genius. Come on, my genius viewer. Wow, right, 760. Can you find the odd number? Wow, perfect. The odd number 3. Find the odd one, 553. Super catch, 553. Challenge your eyes, find 480 within given time. Come on, my viewers. Wow, a super fast eyes. Find the odd emoji within time. Wow, perfect. Emojis find. Can you find the odd one, 320? Excellent, easily find, genius viewer. Nobody can find 156. Perfect, 156. Find the odd fruit emoji within given time. Come on, fruit lovers, come on, come fast. Super catch, completed medium level. Start with the hard level. Find the odd million within time. Come on, my fruit lovers, come on. Wow, that's one. Genius mood on, find double 90. Come on, genius viewer, come on. Super catch, the double 90. Focus master, find 2006. Wow, excellent, 2006. Find the odd one out, double 43. Nice catch, the double 43. Test your eyes, pick the odd one. Wow, perfect, picking master. Spot the odd number 93 and 93 within time. Excellent. Easily find. Come on, genius viewer. Can you find the odd one within time? My question is hard, but my viewer is super genius. Come on, genius viewer. Perfect. Genius viewer, come on. Find the odd number 5000. Wow, the 5000 easily find. Spot the odd one, 992. Super catch, the 992. Test your eyes power, find 2020. Wow, super smart eyes. Can you find 309? Perfect. 309 easily find. Test your visual, find the odd one. Wow, that's one. Find the odd one within given time. Excellent. Easily find, genius viewer. Spot the odd one, 5002. Perfect. 5002. Find the odd fruit emoji within given time. Wow, excellent work. Completed hard level. Don't forget to share your score in the comment box. Please like, subscribe and share. Next challenge.